In this video, we are riding our bicycles from our campsite at Boulder Beach Campground to the historic railroad trail to the Hoover Dam. The historic railroad trail at Lake Mead National Recreation Area is a place where history, desert beauty, and adventure all come together. What was once a hard-working railroad route is now one of the most scenic bike rides in the Southwest. Lake Mead National Recreation Area sits along the border of Nevada and Arizona and was created after the construction of Hoover Dam. This area tells the story of how water, power, and determination shaped the American Southwest. The trail we're riding today follows the original railroad grade built in the early 1930s. These tracks were used to transport equipment and supplies during the construction of the Hoover Dam. At the time, this railroad was a lifeline cut directly into the rugged canyon walls by workers during the Great Depression. The 5 tunnels we passed through were carved by hand long before modern machinery. Thousands of men worked in extreme heat, difficult conditions, and dangerous terrain to help build one of the greatest engineering achievements in American history. The trail is peaceful and accessible with a smooth surface that makes it perfect for biking. As we ride through the tunnels and along the cliffs, it's hard not to imagine what it must have been like nearly 100 years ago when this path echoed with trains, tools, and human effort. The views of Lake Mead are breathtaking. Blue water, desert mountains, and wide open skies remind us how special it is to experience places like this slowly on bikes, taking in every detail. This ride isn't about miles or speed. It's about connection to the land, to history, and to each other. Being able to explore these places together at our own pace is one of the greatest gifts of this lifestyle.
Hey, man, let's start recording.
The historic railroad trail stretches about 3.7 miles one way, taking us nearly 4 miles from the trailhead all the way to the Hoover Dam. It's an easy, scenic ride that gives you plenty of time to take in the views and the history along the way. After the ride, we stopped at the Hoover Dam itself, one of the most iconic landmarks in the country. Completed in 1936, the dam still provides power and water to millions of people across the Southwest. One of the coolest moments, walking across the dam and literally crossing 2 time zones, Nevada on one side, Arizona on the other. One step forward and suddenly it's a different time. This day wasn't about distance or speed. It was about slowing down, soaking it in, and appreciating the history beneath our wheels and feet. From historic tunnels to towering concrete walls, today reminded us how deeply connected adventure and history really are. One ride, 2 time zones, and memories that'll carry with us forever. Until our next stop, we want to say, catch you later. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for following us.